Did you know that one man's choice to do the right thing led to the biggest environmental fine in Alaska's history? Darren Walker was just a regular operations manager for BP in Alaska when he discovered something shocking. His own company was hiding over 200 pipeline leaks and spills across the Arctic wilderness. They were relying on environmental reports and using cheap patches instead of real repairs just to save money. When executives found out Darren was investigating, they offered him $500,000 and a big promotion to keep quiet. He could have taken the money and looked the other way. Most people would have. But Darren knew that the pristine Arctic was being destroyed while his bosses got rich. So he gathered all the evidence and called government investigators. Yes, he risked his entire career in the oil industry, but his courage paid off in ways he never imagined. Today, Darren is Alaska's Environmental Compliance Director. The executives went to prison, and the Arctic wilderness is protected because one man chose integrity over money.